Black & Decker's most powerful handheld vacuum just got better. The 18-volt cordless pivot vac. Now smaller, quieter, and easier to clean, but with the same superior suction power as Black & Decker's original, best-selling pivot vac. Equipped with an 18-volt battery and high-performance motor, the pivot vac powers through both fine dust and heavy debris. The patented nozzle pivots to access tight spots from any angle. And the new onboard brush and extendable crevice tool provide added versatility without loose accessories you can easily misplace. The fully translucent bowl can hold 40% more dirt, so you don't have to empty it as often. The 3-stage filtration system, including a premium pleated filter, provides our highest level of filtration for less clogging and cleaner air exhaust, while cyclonic action spins dust and debris away from the filter, so suction power stays strong. You can easily remove embedded debris from the filter thanks to the pivot vac's filter flicker. Cleanup is also simple and hygienic. Use the quick release door to easily dump debris, or remove the bowl and filters entirely, then rinse for a more thorough cleaning. The foldable compact design allows for easy storage and charging. Plus, the pivot vac is ENERGY STAR rated and backed by a 2-year warranty. Enhanced design, superior suction, pivoting innovation. The 18-volt cordless pivot vac from Black & Decker.